Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make this gram flour cream easily at home. So gram flour, or it's also known as Besan in Hindi, is very good ingredient for your skin. It helps in skin lightening, whitening and skin brightening. It has antioxidants which helps in removing your dark spots, pigmentation as well as the suntan from your skin, and will just instantly brighten and lighten your skin complexion. So to prepare this home remedy, we only need few ingredients, and the first ingredient which we need to prepare this gram flour cream is obviously gram flour, which is also known as besan. After that, we are going to need rose water. Then we are going to need vitamin E oil, and if you do not have this oil, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules which are easily available in the market. After that, we are going to need olive oil, and the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's prepare this cream, and to prepare this cream we firstly have to take 1 big tablespoon of gram flour in a clean bowl, and then we have to add enough rose water into it to make a smooth and a lump free paste. And after adding the rose water, just mix both these ingredients so that it makes a smooth and a runny paste. And after mixing both these ingredients, your gram flour paste should look like this. The consistency of this paste should be really runny. It should be really thin and lump free, like I'm showing you in the video. Now we'll strain this paste using a strainer, or you can even use a cheesecloth to strain this paste. And we are straining it to remove all the dirt and impurities from this paste and to take out the fine gram flour paste. So now let's prepare this cream, and to prepare this cream we'll firstly take 2 teaspoons of this gram flour paste in a clean bowl. After that, I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil in it, and if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then you have to add 2 vitamin E capsules into it. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into it. And after adding the olive oil, we'll just give a good mix to all these 3 ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 1 big tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it. And now again I'm mixing all of this really nicely so that it makes into a really smooth, creamy and a fluffy cream. And after mixing all these ingredients, your homemade gram flour cream is ready, and it will look something like this. The consistency of this cream should be really creamy, fluffy and smooth, like I'm showing you in the video. And now I'm just going to transfer this cream into this small airtight container, and you can store this cream into any airtight container for up to 1 month. This cream is highly effective in skin lightening, whitening and brightening. It just removes all kinds of dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars from your skin, and will just brighten and lighten your skin complexion, making it more fairer, glowing and radiant. This cream will also help in removing the suntan from your skin and will make it spotless and clear. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips, and then just apply it and gently massage it onto your skin using gentle and circular strokes. And now after massaging it thoroughly into your skin, just leave it so that it completely absorbs into your skin. And for the best results, you should use this cream once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.